Welcome to the second part of Ieee Snist Computer Society's tutorials on Kodu Game Lab. Yeah, this is the previous world which we created. In the previous tutorial we created this world. Oh yeah, it's still in the water tool. Yeah, I'm removing the water. Yep. Now what do I do? Let's just clear the whole thing. New empty world. Discard. Yep. This is a new empty world. Ground brush. Yeah. I'm creating ground here. So I'm just planning to make a straight path, a straight patch of land where we can use it to make a game. I'll be telling you which game we would be doing in this tutorial also. Yep, I know that this is not a straight patch of land, but then I think this would help us. Go to the move camera option, I move the camera. Oops. Yeah, so once let's just make it better. Not looking good, right? A bit better. Yes, it looks better than thought. Yeah, it's pretty fine. Oops, yeah, it's pretty fine. What do we do? Let's just make a racing. I mean, exactly not a racing, but then let's just make something wherein two objects race or two players want to play a small racing game in Kodu game now. So what I've created is I've created a nice straight path from here to here. I know it's really very short, but then just for test, just for practice, we just see what it is. I'll just show you how to add logic and all that. So for that, just take this test patch. For this, you can let's just create uh, a wall sort of thing in the side. From here to here, we just create a wall. Yeah. Click on path tool. Right click here. Add wall. Oops. Right click. Right click. Delete. I go here. I click right click here. Right click here. Add wall. From here to here. Right click. I mean, you can choose the color of the wall. I mean, you can make it red, orange, yellow, green, blue, whatever. Let's give it blue. Right click here. Change height. The height of the wall. Again, I go here. Hover onto this node. Oops. Zoom inside. Yep. Mm, and something wrong with this. Let's just make another wall. So zoom out. As I told earlier, right click, add wall, clear, left click. Now the color is ready. Right click, change height. Move camera. I do the same thing. Other side also. Yeah. You click up and down arrow keys. The path changes. Just keep it the same. You change colors. Keep it blue. That's right. Now the wall. I mean the side walls are done. Now it sort of looks like a path. A straight path. Now what we want? We want two roads, right? Two black color roads or black color path on this area. Come path tool again. Here, add road. Yeah. Here we have change path style, change color, right click, options, yeah, add more nodes, add change height. Uh, Keep it down itself. Let's keep it like this. Now I click here, add road, so that's that. Yeah, here, yep, oops. So that it gets highlighted when I go here, right click, delete. It gets deleted. Oops, something's wrong with this wall. Leave it alone, no problem. What I do is I take an object, I click here. Yes. This is a screen wherein you have various objects. You can put up a tree, you can put up any variety of tree mentioned here. You can put up Kodu, you can put up an apple, you can put up various objects. These are the objects which you guys have seen in the first tutorial. You can put a cycle, a balloon, a fly fish, a jet, a saucer, a sub, a cannon, whatever. You can draw clouds also. You can put up clouds. Yeah. You can put it in a game wherein the number of coins the character collects, the number of points. Yeah. So you can do whatever you want. You can put up a life. You have hearts. It's up to you. For now, I'll be choosing a cycle. Yes. So a cycle is here. Yes. A cycle is here. Click on object tool. Go here. It gets highlighted. Click on right. I right click. Change size. Size change right. Yeah. Right click. You can change the colors also. It's up to you. Change settings, rotate, change height, cut, copy. Everything is familiar. Program. I click on program. Yes. This is a programming screen of an object in Kodu. You have a when do construct. A when do construct. If you gotta tell any logic, you can just use these both terms or this construct and you can tell it. For example, if you want a robot to now go to your refrigerator and get a Pepsi for you, what you do? You just tell that when I tell you to go get Pepsi from the refrigerator, then you do should go and get the Pepsi from the refrigerator, right? So when I tell you something, then you should do it. That's a programming construct. So when this happens, then this should happen or that should happen. Right? When I raise my hand up, then a sound should be coming. Or when I kick the ball should go front. Right? So when something happens, another event also, I mean an event should be fired. right? So the same way you have this pencil button here, right? I click on when. There are many events here, like when two objects bump into each other, or when an object hears a sound, object sees something. You can handle the mouse events. Keyboard events allow a player to control a character, specify which key. On Xbox controller, there are more options. Like if Kodu is on land or on water, all things. I mean, what does it say? Do something all the time, optional. Yeah. So come on and click here. I go to keyboard. What should I do in keyboard? I click here. If I click the arrows, if I click the arrows on keyboard, if I click the up, left, right arrows on keyboard, then what should the character do? The character should move. Should it move quickly? Slowly. It move quickly. Even quickly. Even quickly. It's fun. So when I click on the up, left, down, left, right arrows on a keyboard, then the character should move quickly. So I click escape. Now I clear. Yeah, so this is your world. It is moving, right? Yes. So this is how it moves. You can see the world. That's the ground, it's a path, it's a road. Then you can see a wall here. A bump into it, not allowed to go more. Yeah. Learn escape. So that's how you can program an object, any object in that matter. Change settings, forward speed multiplier, forward acceleration multiplier. These are the settings for an object. Missile smoke, shield effects, invisible ghost, hearing, close by range. This is how you can make your own game. Let me just play after changing settings. Look at that, how far it's going. Oops. And that's an option also, another option wherein if an imaginary surface is there, like if you have an empty space like this, you cannot go. I mean, you won't fall down. That's a setting, a game setting which you can change later also. Kodu does it. I mean, this cycle does a 360. Crazy. So that's how you can program. Press escape. Again, comes back to the same position where you set the object. I click on object. Click here. Right click. Program. I'll cite another uh, line of logic. When keyboard, in keyboard, symbols, no, miscellaneous, yeah. So oops, yeah, in keyboard, if I press a space bar, what should happen? What should the character do? The character should shoot, to shoot a missile. So when I press a space bar on the keyboard, the character should shoot a missile. So that's the way the logic is done. So for it, I've told earlier also, there is no need to learn any sort of language. You just have to have basic logic concepts. Then it's done. You can do it. Press escape. I press space bar. There's a small missile going out there. Right? Okay. There's a small missile going out there. Haha. Yeah, yeah. The missile is small, right? So instead of missile, we just put another option, which is that's also for like a missile. Blip. I go back. Play. Yeah. Yep. So that's it. As I told earlier, multiplayer, right? You can do that also. Just go here, right click, copy. No camera, object tool. You go here, paste. Yes, you have it. Right click, program. The same program which is there. Just like the cut copy paste which you have on Microsoft. Same way. But for this, I don't use arrow keys. I use WASD instead. I don't use spacebar, but I use spacebar, but I use down insert delete. End is near to, yeah. I use end. Escape. Yeah. Now a person can use WASD, another person can use the upright. So yes, that's it. Yeah. So the second thing will shoot. Yeah, the second shoot and the first also shoots. Yes. So this is how you add logic to your characters. Let's just show you. I'll show you a world which is a template on Kodu Game Lab. I go to home, exit to main menu, discard, load world, shoot a fish, play. Here, there are many fishes here. I have no hero character in this game. Let me just add a character, wherein the fishes will be moving in this path. There are various paths here, right? This path. Yeah, these are paths. These fishes will be moving in these paths. And then I need a person who will be standing here and shooting these fishes, right? So what I do is I click on object tool, click here, Kodu, Kodu is here, right click, program. when keyboard, when letters A, turn, turn left, when keyboard, letters B, do turn right, when I press spacebar, do shoot, done with a C. Yeah, A, B, oops, D, A, B, that's it. Winner. That's a program which been there. So I press escape and it worked. So let me just click on object tool. Oops. Right click, program. What's written here? There is a path which is being mentioned here. So always there is no need, there is no programming law. I mean, there is no condition for it. Always move on path. And when it sees a fly fish, avoid it. Like to avoid collisions, when it sees a fly fish, it avoids. The same code. So this is a template which has been there. And then you can find a cloud here. Right click, program. When it hears a fly fish, okay. When it does not hear a fly fish, it says win. Right? Look at the code here. Here, fly fish not. So it'll be, the cloud will be hearing whether there's a fly fish or not. And when it doesn't hear the sound of a fly fish, then it says you won. So that's what happened there. This is the way you can create games, small arcade games to big RPGs also. You can make a fort, and then you can play multiplayer on the fort. You can have various controls, Xbox controls, and then controllers, and then you can play RPGs also. And thanks for watching this video, and happy coding with Kodu Lab. You can download it right away, and you can start coding on Kodu Lab. Thanks for watching this video. This is IEEE Computer Society SNIST. Thank you.